I got Mission BBQ. Can you see me? Can you see me? They recommend me trying the brisket sandwich. This is, but they gave it to me for free. This apparently has 5 different cheese in here. And fries. Oh my god. This is a really good brisket. Okay. I don't know, can you see it's steaming? Because right now it's steaming a little bit, but it's good. Got what they told me this is, but it's good. To be honest, I would skip on the fries for the side. Go get 2 sides. Have one of them be the mac and cheese, and you can skip on the fries. I don't know what else is good over there for the sides, but I would avoid the fries. And go try the brisket sandwich. All right, take care.